In this video, I'll show you how to check your WordPress site for security issues using CloudRaptor. This helps you detect file tampering and ensures your WordPress core files are safe and unchanged. First, go to your CloudRaptor dashboard. Click on Applications, then select your WordPress application from the list. Once inside, navigate to the Security tab. In the Security section, locate WordPress Core Integrity. Click on Run Scan. Now wait a few moments while CloudRaptor checks your installation. During the scan, CloudRaptor compares your WordPress core files with the official WordPress checksums. It looks for any unauthorized changes, missing files, or mismatched files that could indicate a security issue. Once the scan is complete, review the results carefully. If everything is clean, your core files are secure. If issues are found, you may need to re-download WordPress core files, replace modified files, or investigate possible vulnerabilities. This scan only checks WordPress core files. It does not affect your plugins, themes, or website content. By running this scan, you can quickly confirm whether your WordPress installation is safe and unmodified.